of the Navadurga is Ma Shailaputri, the daughter of the mountain king Himavad. She is none other than the goddess Parvati, the wife of Lord Shiva. She has the wise Ganesha and the valorous Kartikeya for her sons. In her earlier incarnation, she was born as Sati. The beautiful and devoted Sati was born to Daksha Prajapati, the preceptor of most of the creations. Daksha wanted his daughter to marry someone very special and worthy of her. Daksha married off 27 of his daughters to the moon god Chandra. But Chandra held Rohini very close to his heart and visited her more often. The rest of the wives felt ignored and complained to their father. As the trend continued, even after repeated warnings, the disappointed Daksha cursed Chandra to lose his luster and radiance. Chandra took refuge in Lord Shiva, repenting for his mistake. And Lord Shiva modified his curse and gave him a place on his head. This angered Daksha further, and he considered Shiva his sole enemy. But his daughter Sati fell in love with the Lord. She married Lord Shiva, letting go of all her riches and relations, and moved to Mount Kailash. Their love blossomed through the seasons and months. To embarrass Lord Shiva, King Daksha organized a grand yajna and invited everyone, the gods, the devas, yakshas, everyone except Lord Shiva. Sati felt it was her right to attend the grand yajna conducted by her father. She longed to go and pleaded with Lord Shiva to come along, and Shiva dissuaded her from going to the yajna. He tried to reason with Sati, but she wouldn't agree. When Shiva finally asked Sati to do as she wished, she went to the ceremony all by herself. There, she didn't get any respect. Sati felt a great sense of pain at being unwelcome in her own house. Daksha even insulted Shiva in front of her and in the presence of all the guests. This was very unbearable for Sati. In extreme grief, she jumped into the sacrificial fire at the altar meant for the holy yajna. When the news of Sati's self-sacrifice reached Shiva, he was mad with fury. He invoked Veerabhadra, a fearful form, and gave the order to destroy Daksha and his yajna. Shiva carried the half-burnt corpse of his Sati, still burning in anger, as he could not part with her even after death. Lord Vishnu sent his Sudarshana Chakra to break the body down and bring Lord Shiva back to his senses. The body fell at different places on earth, which came to be known as Shakti Pitas. There are 52 Shaktipitas in India. That Sati was reborn as Ma Parvati or Shailaputri. She again won over her lord through her love and tireless penance. Ma Shailaputri rides the Nandi and carries a trident in one hand and a lotus in the other. As we worship her, we invoke Ma Parvati's endless love for the Lord and for the entire creation. Today, we have an energetic performance from the far east Manipur, Sankirtana. It is an art form of ritual singing, drumming, and dancing. It is an art form where performers narrate stories of Krishna through song and dance. Today's performance is Pungcholan, where the dancers playing drums jump, bend, and move heroically to the rhythm of the drum beats. This is an integral part of Durga Puja celebrations in Manipur.